it's Marina, welcome back to another YouTube. Hey guys, it's Marina and welcome back to another YouTube video. So if you guys don't know, I recently got a MacBook and I've been wanting to make some stickers for the case. This is my second time filming this, so hopefully I do it right this time, because I didn't watch any videos before I made the last one and I'm still not again. So the first thing you want to do is you can go online, go on Pinterest, and you can look up like printable laptop stickers or something, and you will find a bunch of different stickers you can use. You can even like look up certain stickers you want, say like, oh, aesthetic flowers. So after you do that and you just like get all the stickers you want, you go onto Google Docs or Microsoft Word or any website like that, and you can just put all the images on there and then size them to the way you want. The size should be like around this big. They're going to be really a lot bigger than you think. So if you're not sure about the size, I would recommend like just putting one on there and then looking at the size, then printing that out, seeing if you like the size of it. And so once you put all your stickers on Google Docs, it should look something like that. Then you just print those out, and now you have a few sheet of paper full of stickers that you want to be on your laptop case. So what you're going to want to do next is to cut these out. I love this music so much. I'll put a link in the description if I remember. It's adorable and I love it. Okay, so what you're going to do now is just take all your stickers, put them in a row. Next thing you are going to do, so you're going to take some clear packaging tape. I'm using this duct tape, clear duct tape. So you're just going to take a big strip of it and place it over the stickers. See? Then for the big ones, you can do one strip on the bottom half and then another strip on the top half. So see, that's on the bottom half. So next thing you're going to want to do is take off the strips and make sure the stickers are stuck to there and flip it over. Cut out another strip and place that on top of it. But make sure the sticky side is up. That is very important. Stick. Okay, I found a different way to cut them out without them sticking to you. What you're going to do is you're going to carefully take them off and place them somewhere else. So you're going to take the parchment paper off where you had it, then you're going to place them all back and then put the parchment paper on top of them, so it's easier for them to cut out like that. Okay guys, one thing you have to make sure you do, which I totally just messed up on because I'm a dummy, you have to like cut out a bit over it so the back tape can stick. So after you cut them out, you should you can easily like take off the parchment paper off on the back of them, and then you're done with the stickers. It's pretty awesome. I know, right? You just made DIY stickers. Good job. I'm proud of you. So what I'm going to do next is to place them all on my laptop. Guys, this is how it turned out. I think it turned out really good, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below for more videos from me, and once again, thank you so much for watching. Bye!